Yo guys, hope that you guys are well. Back with another market recap, but this time it's something different. So this is called XAUUSD. Um, so I checked on the 5 minute, right? As they came down, they inversed this 5 minutes, right? With a nice aggression to the lower side, and then this basically. Oh, it's not full. What am I looking at? Oh, sorry guys. My flippin' eyesight is so bad. But yeah, the 100% draw was the south side that I was looking at, right? Um, so that was my initial draw for this rundown, and I swear if these dogs bark now while I'm recording, bro. And then I went on the 1 minute, and we were respecting all the PD arrays, and then I looked at this run up into this early gap, closing it fully, basically, almost. Right? It ran down this order block, that fair value gap, looking at that, and check how we are just keeping our bodies at the lower end, right? As we left it, I think on the closure, as we left it on the closure of this one, I entered, right? Then it came up to this order block. Then we ran down. As we close below this propulsion block, right? I entered on the close almost, right? And then ran down, coming all the way back up to the propulsion block, which should be highly respected. And then again the 7 a.m. first displacement leg. I entered as we came back into the first displacement leg. And then we close there, run down, order block off of the propulsion block, right? Highly respected, ran down. First take profit was this low. It wicked below it and then it didn't take me out, then it got me in the second one. And then on, I don't know, my falls were so like, they were so good. Like my take profit, my second partial was like here and I get full there. And then same with this one, literally my take profit was here and I got the full there. And yeah, then as soon as we took that liquidity, I knew like we wouldn't go for this. Like I was just playing it safe because check those lows, right? Check how they are formed. So lower low, a higher low, then a lower low than that low, and then this low taking all of that, right? And they would come back to this range because there's an untraded fair value gap, right? So I took my sell side to these wicks there, and then as they trade into the fair value gap there, see this untraded, they barely got to there, right? And then that is the trade. And then as soon as we hit that, we saw a strong reaction. So I was already out, so I'm happy. Then we came to inverse the 7 a.m, closed above a fair value gap, this massive fair value gap, tapped into it, ran up, came back to like the quadrants of this, and again filling this inversion. Check how they use it. Set above, tap 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 tap, run up. This fair value gap should be respected because as we left this range, this is the actual first fair value gap after we left the range. Now it depends on what they want to do. Do they want to respect this and go for these highs, right? Those clear highs, Or do they want to go for all these, no, not those lows, these lows, relative equal, there, 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 and then a quadrant on, so I would mark it out like this. 50%, sorry, 50%. And then this, this. Would they want to come back for that? Or are they going to run it up now and go for the buy side? That's resting above here. We go on like higher time frame, there is these relative equal highs. And then we like mostly like jiggled everything on the lower end. So it's basically a market maker buy model to these highs there. If I need to mark it out more like that, buy side, but I'll make it BM market maker buy model. These are the lows. Let me zoom out a bit more for you guys. Ran down. I don't know in what period rate they went into. Again, I just came on to gold and just tried my luck on this market, and then our most likely outdraw is that they should respect this fair value gap if they want to run up. Okay, these are the targets. These. Okay. This is how they use that fair value gap. Mark it out. 758. Okay. Good luck, gents, and thank you for supporting. Much love.